Hi guys, Bosslady here, back with another video for you. And today you guys, I have started my first video of my lip care series. So you guys, in this episode I will show you how I did my lips. A lot of this kind of videos out there, but mine it's a little different. So you guys stay tuned, keep watching to learn all the tricks and all the tips that I did to achieve this sort of lip. I will show you guys the one to do for an everyday. For clarity's sake, I will be doing this in steps. Step 1, you prep your lips. So this happens to be one of the reasons why I'm with this lip care is one of the few things that people don't talk about or don't know what it's about. Step 1 is just your lip care routine, what you do. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys a proper demonstration of the lip care routine, because it's something I feel like I really need to show you guys how to do. A lot of people don't even know how it's done, so I'll show you guys in my next video how it's done. I like to use my color 18 and brow liner because it's very pigmented color on my lips, and it just goes for what I really want to do. So I'm using my very small mirror here, and I the lower lip. You don't have to make it so thick if you don't want to. We'll do the top part of our lips, and you have to be very careful here. Now that we've lined both the bottom of our lips and the top part, the next thing we'll do is to try and blend them together. Now you can either do this with your fingers, or you can do what I do by trying to match them so you can just blend in. There you go. Now when it comes to colors to apply for an everyday look, it usually depends on the color of the shadow. If you don't want to put something on that would take the attention away from what you've done up here, if you did something that is very what's it called, that you want to stand out on your eye look, then you want to go for a neutral or safe color when it comes to your lip. So I recommend you just do something nude so the color of the shadows will come out. So that's why I'll be using my Beauty Model matte lipstick in nude color, and I'll just like tap it all over my lips. When you can leave your lips the way they look, because they look very attractive and fine this way. But if you want to take it a little bit further, you can to complement the glitters on your look, on your eye look. So I recommend you use a glossy. You added the gloss on it, and this is how it looks. In order for you to get that definition of the liner, I would advise you go back in and just making the line a little bit darker. So you guys, my lip combo, how to do your lip tutorial, the very first episode of my lip care routine. Enjoy this tutorial. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please click on the big red subscribe button and hit the bell icon right beside it to get notified on whenever I upload a brand new video. And finally, if you have any question whatsoever, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye you guys.